Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson we were working with the verb arriver in the present tense. Arriver is a regular ER verb in the present tense. We learned how to conjugate the forms for the singular subject pronouns. In this lesson we are going to look at the plural forms. Arriver is conjugated just like all of these other regular ER verbs that you've learned. In our last lesson you learned how to say I arrive, j'arrive, you arrive, tu arrives, he arrives, il arrive, she arrives, elle arrive, one arrives, on arrive, you arrive, vous arrivez. In this lesson we are going to learn the forms for the plural subject pronouns. We arrive. Remember, you find your root by removing the ER from arriver, and you just add the ending. So the ending for nous is ONS. Nous arrivons. We arrive, nous arrivons. You arrive, vous arrivez, they arrive. Ils arrivent, elles arrivent. Let's look at some examples. We arrive today, nous arrivons aujourd'hui. We arrive tomorrow, nous arrivons demain. We arrive soon or early, nous arrivons tôt. We arrive late, nous arrivons tard. We arrive on time. Nous arrivons à l'heure. They arrive today. Ils arrivent aujourd'hui. They arrive tomorrow. Ils arrivent demain. They arrive soon. Ils arrivent tôt. They arrive late. Ils arrivent tard. And they arrive on time. Ils arrivent à l'heure. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.